Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple monkey emoji. So let's draw a couple eyes first, just a couple circles next to each other, fairly close, and draw a couple big pupils. With a big highlight on the upper right and a smaller highlight on the lower left. Color that in. Next, let's draw a couple nostrils, just a couple angled lines, maybe a little bit thicker at the middle, like that. And then let's draw an outline of the eye area. So from here, we're going to go around each eye, coming to a point right here. So starting here, okay, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, let's draw the mouth area. So it'll be basically a big oval, like right here. So we'll start the oval right here, about to where my finger is, and back to the center, and then over to the other side. Next, let's draw a mouth, just a crescent shape, and the bottom of the mouth right here. And let's just kind of show that there's a tongue in here. Just a couple curved lines with one overlapping the other, and darken the back of the mouth. Okay, so now let's go ahead and draw the top of the head, the side of his face. So from here, we're going to go across and over. Next, let's give him a couple tufts of hair up here, and some hair here on the side. So just a couple zigzag lines, maybe vary the direction of the tufts of hair, and it's gonna go underneath the jaw. And we'll do the same thing here, down, back, down, maybe going out and back in. Alright, so let's draw his big ears. From here, we're just gonna go out and draw basically a half oval. Coming here, go out and back in. Draw the edge of the ear and maybe another line right here and another line right there. Okay, now that we have that, we can look at it as a reference for the right side. Go out, start curving it back in and over. Again, edge of the ear and another line right there. And that is pretty much it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just gonna outline it a little bit more with my thicker Sharpie, and we're done. So there you go, our monkey emoji. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.